Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is JAGADISH Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty weekly expiry view for the day. Nifty spot on a daily chart opened around 22,231, tested the highs of 22,368. Profit booking or supply kicked in, bounced back till levels of 22,368 and managed to close above 22,302 zones with the sideways bias for the day. Nifty continues to trade in a range with supply at higher levels. As per the open interest data and derivatives data, supports now for Nifty futures placed at 22,221 followed by 22,118 and 22,148. The resistance placed at 22,424 followed by 22,460 and 22,500 zones. Dear investors, great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions for long-term investing to build your long-term portfolios in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for now. For the day, the Nifty view is sideways to range bound. That's it for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.